Hi, I'm Eric from Illinois Garage Door Repair. In this video, we're going to explain how to diagnose and maybe fix the most common garage door problems. First step is to check if your opener is plugged into the power. Simply follow the cord and make sure it is plugged. Sometimes it gets unplugged by mistake, and since today most of the garage doors are powered by electrical openers, that could be the problem. Second step is to check whether the sensor got obstructed or misaligned. To do that, just look at both sides to make sure that nothing is in between them that can block the path and there is a light on both sides. If one of them doesn't light up, try to move it around and clean them until you see the light comes on. If that doesn't work, you probably need to call a professional. For a temporary fix, you can press and hold the button on the wall until the door is fully closed. That way, you bypass the sensors. Third step is to check if your door is not crooked or off track. If you see that your door is a little bit on the angle, it means that you probably have a broken or snapped cable. In that case, the door will not go up nor down. Unfortunately, this is a very dangerous procedure for non-professionals, and you do need to call someone to replace the cables and align your door. The next step is to make sure that your torsion springs are not cracked or broken. The way to do that is to look on the top of the door where they're located and check if the springs are still wound. If one of them is broken, you will see a separation in the middle of it, and that will indicate that the spring is broken. Please note torsion springs are extremely dangerous and do not attempt to replace them by yourself or try to open the door. Call professionals to have them replaced. The last step is very easy but causes a lot of problems and service calls that customers can avoid. Reconnecting the trolley. A lot of times the trolley gets disconnected purposely or accidentally by pulling down the red rope. When that happens, the door becomes manual and does not connect to the motor. Simply pull the red rope down to the lock position, and then push the button and wait until it latches back. On some models, you need to pull it down and away towards the motor to bring it back to the lock position. Remember, if you have any trouble with your garage door and you can't fix it by yourself, you can always schedule an appointment with Illinois Garage Door Repair, and one of our trained technicians will be there as soon as today to provide excellent service and help you to move on with your day.